The Manchester of Pakistan, the industrial city of Faisalabad, is a rapidly growing commercial hub of the country. Approximately 8 million people live in this bustling city. To fulfill their need of high-quality education, Shibli Group of Colleges is serving for the last 28 years. This arduous journey of growth was beset with so many challenges and numerous tales of success and achievements.
Shibli Group of Colleges was established in 1988 and present it has many campuses in different cities to facilitate male and female students to acquire their thirst of knowledge.
Shibli Group of Colleges has excellent campus with spacious rooms, well-equipped computer lab, libraries and science labs for world-class education, personality development and physical well-being. Separate campuses for boys and girls ideally serve specific education need of people from all cultural backgrounds.
Shibli Group of Colleges is giving excellent performance in the promotion of education in the private sector institutions. We are continuously expanding our network without compromising the quality of our education.
Shibli Group of Colleges promises excellent education through their specialized faculty of science, commerce and arts. Several academic programs are being offered by the organization under these categories. For postgraduate programs, Shibli Group of Colleges is affiliated with top-ranked universities of the country. The organization pledges to provide the best academic services without discrimination, standardized educational environment and hostel facilities exclusively for the female students speak volumes for the commitment of organization towards education.
A student may be talented, but unless their talent is polished, they cannot achieve the height of success. Dedicated teachers, peaceful environment and exemplary discipline can make it possible to achieve their required targets. Its excellent results distinguish it from other educational institutions.
Besides providing the best of services in academia, Shibli Group of Colleges is equally dedicated to provide its students a perfect platform for extracurricular activities through sustained training and exposure at various forums. The students have won many awards for organization in declamation contests, dramatic performances and creative writing competitions. A healthy body nurtures a healthy brain. We all believe in this and we strive to realize the goal by encouraging various sports in the campuses. Apart from providing the facilities to amateur players, the organization is served by specialized coaches to train professional athletes who compete at various national venues to bring laurels to their institutions.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aksa. I am proud the champion due to well-respected Shibli College and staff member. I have achieved different winning awards in karate, table tennis and badminton just because the proper facility in my Shibli College.
मेरा नाम मतिया सुल्ताना है। मुझे बचपन ही से स्पोर्ट्स खेलने का बहुत ज़्यादा शौक था। जब मैंने शिबली कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया तो इन्होंने मेरी सलाहियतों को देखते हुए मुझे इतना प्रमोट किया कि मैं ये शिबली कॉलेज में ही रहकर नेशनल लेवल तक पहुंची और ये सारी अचीवमेंट्स मैंने शिबली कॉलेज से ही हासिल की।
Shibli Group of Colleges is proud of all students who have been part of this great journey and who have shown excellent results in board and universities exams. This is the story of many shining stars that have strenuously put their efforts to brighten the name of this organization through their excellence. In addition to education, certain aspects like cash awards, scholarships, fee discounts for outstanding and deserving students make this college the only choice for the students.
शिबली ग्रुप ऑफ कॉलेजेस में आम रवायती और फरसूदा तरीकों से हटकर तालीम दी जाती है। हम तलबा की ज़हनी, जिस्मानी, तालीमी और अखलाकी नश्व-ओ-नमा के साथ साथ इनके अंदर यकीन की कुव्वत पैदा करते हैं, इनके ख्वाबीदा सपनों को बेदार करते हैं, इनमें इल्म की सच्ची लगन और शौक पैदा करते हैं।
Shibli Group of Colleges is not merely teaching the generations. Rather, it is committed to a broader purpose of building a nation of professionals with skills and morals. The trust of the students and parents has always worked as a backbone for the organization. with new standards, promises, and dedication.
Shibli College is the best platform where our natural and hidden skills are bring out beautifully and are polished perfectly.
Shibli Group of Colleges will continue to enlighten the students and groom their personalities. We welcome everyone to be a part of this journey to make Pakistan brighter, better, and prosperous. We believe we can. We believe we will.